Hello everyone, this is Raihan Chaudhary. So I have been using this 600 taka keyboard for last 3 years. The performance is average, so it's time to upgrade. So I have brought world's best mechanical keyboard. Which one is this? Which is cost 6,000 taka. This one is 600, this one is 6,000. So today I will unbox it and review it, that how it is, like is it or 6,000 or not. Let's go. So this is our final keyboard. Bloody. So this is the keyboard. Now just the look is really amazing. I think I can change the color. Wow, this is really good. This is pretty amazing. So guys, I have been using this keyboard for last 2 hours. The performance is really good. I am loving it. The keyboard sound is really satisfying, and the typing speed, the feel and look and the performance is really good. I'm impressed. So if you have enough money to buy a keyboard, I will suggest you should buy it or not, or you can buy 600 taka keyboard. Not a big deal, but not a big difference. If you are a tech enthusiastic, you can buy it. That's it. I love this. I love it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz for today.